OPPO phones rank among the top 5 globally for shipments, proving their growing popularity. To avoid data loss from issues like accidental deletion or water damage, backing up your OPPO is essential. In this video, we'll cover 5 effective methods to back up your OPPO phone. Let's dive in. Way 1. How to back up OPPO phone contacts to PC via Android Backup and Restore. Are you still struggling to find an advanced and fully compatible backup program for OPPO? Okay, Can Backup Manager for Android, Windows, Mac can be your first consideration. Known as Android Backup and Restore. How do I transfer contacts from OPPO to computer? Step 1. Have the program downloaded and installed on your computer. Then launch it and link OPPO to the computer via USB cable. Now, you should activate USB debugging on OPPO to get the device recognized. After that, tap Backup to continue. Step 2. Various data types on OPPO will be displayed on the coming screen. Here, mark contacts and click Browse to create or locate a folder on the computer. To save the items, Step 3. Tap on the Backup option to get all the contacts from the OPPO phone to this computer for a secure copy. Way 2. How to transfer contacts from OPPO phone to computer using Assistant for Android. Mobikin Assistant for Android Win Mac lets you easily back up OPPO contacts, manage them, and transfer to or from Outlook. It also handles SMS, apps, music, and videos. Step 1. Download Mobikin Assistant for Android before you install and launch it on your computer. Step 2. Follow the operation as we mentioned in Step 1 of Way 1 to get your OPPO phone connected. Subsequently, you'll get the main interface as shown below. Step 3. Here, choose Contacts from the left sidebar, and then All Contacts. You can now preview and select the specific contacts as you wish. Step 4. Afterward, simply press Export from the top menu and specify a computer's folder to get contacts stored. Way 3. How to back up contacts in OPPO with OPPO Cloud or HeyTap Cloud. Connect your OPPO to Wi-Fi and ensure it has at least 50% battery. Open HeyTap Cloud, sign in, and go to Manage Cloud Storage. Enable Auto Backup or tap Backup now for a manual backup. Way 4. How to take contact backup in OPPO with Google account. Open the Contacts app, tap the More icon, and select Import or Export. Choose Move Contacts to Google OK to back up contacts to Google Cloud. Way 5. How to export contacts from OPPO to SD card. Wake up your OPPO phone and start the Contacts app. On the main screen, go to Menu Import or Export to SD card. The file name of the exported file would let you know where the exported stuff is.